So welcome students. So today we are going to discuss about paper 1 chapter 2nd, that is algae, and its part 1. So basically in the last chapter we discussed about the plant kingdom and its various forms. We have discussed the plants, various forms of the plants we have discussed. About that only we have to discuss about the first form, that is the algae one. So basically algae, it is various names have been given to it, that is फायकोलॉजी, अल्गोलॉजी. ओके. सो अल्गी आपण त्याला मराठीत शेवाळ असं म्हणतो. ओके. मग ते खारट पाणी सापडतं, सॉल्टी वॉटर, सी वॉटरमध्ये सापडतं, काही फ्रेश वॉटरमध्ये पण असतात ते. ओके. आणि काय दलदली विभागामध्ये पण त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला ते आढळले जातात ते. ओके. सो दिस algae, so the word algae, it is a Latin word, means it is a seaweeds. त्याचा अर्थ काय होतो, seaweeds होतो. ओके. सो दिस algae, it has various names, that is a phycology or the algology. So the various definition are being given. So according to G.M. Smith in 1955, algae, it is a simple plant with an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. And the second definition we can say, it has been given by the G.W. Prescott in 1969. So the algal are those chlorophyll bearing organisms which are thalloid structures. Thalloid means that we can differentiate into root, stem, and the leaves of the flowers. Okay. So this is a thalloid word. Now if we go through the general characters of this algae, so basically the habit, the first point we will take, that is a habit. So algal forms are microscopic, unicellular, multicellular. Some of them are giant megasporophyll thallus containing algae also present, okay, which are present in the sea, and it is known as seaweeds also. Okay. For example, we can say laminaria. Okay. And the second, that is a habitat. So this algae are aquatic, they live in aquatic one. So they live in fresh water, sea water, marine water. They are free floating, as well as some are attached also, okay, to the substratum. And when we talk about the algal cell, so basically algal cells are of two types, that is the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic one. So the prokaryotic cells are characteristic features of BGA, that is the blue green algae, while rest of this algae cells are eukaryotic one. Okay. So the algal pigments, so it is chlorophyll containing autotrophic thallophytes are, it is a one type of autotrophic thallophyte. So different photosynthetic pigments occurs in this algal. They vary from variety of this plant species. So it has a chlorophylls, carotenoids, phycobilins, and major groups of the pigments are present in the algal. When we talk about the reserve food, so reserve food materials in algae are mostly in the form of polysaccharides. Okay. Then when we think about the reproduction one, so it has a reproduction, it is a common one, which is, that is a vegetative, that is a fragmentation, due to the fragmentation it has been formed. And second is the asexual reproduction, which taken by the spores, that is the zoospores, and which is on the motile one, whereas the non-motile one, aplonospores is there. Okay. And the third system, that is sexual reproduction in algae, exhibits the great diversity, that is the isogamy, anisogamy, and the oogamy one. Okay. So all these three types are being formed in the reproduction purpose in this algae one, that is the vegetative, asexual, as well as the sexual ones. So when we talk about the nature of reproductive structure, so this endosporangia as well as gametangia in algae are always unicellular and are without sterile jacket layer. Okay. And the life cycle pattern consists of dominant haploid gametophyte with sporophyte represent only by zygote. Okay. In few members, both gametophyte and sporophyte are independent one. Okay. So these are the some of the characters of algae. So when we talk about this outline in this syllabus, according to syllabus, so this algal classification have been given by the Bolt and Wine in 1978. Okay. According to this Bolt, it is the he studied in the University of USA, and Wine also in the University of University of USA. They both have studied the same different college, okay, in different university we can say, but they together form and they have written a book. In the name of this book was the Introduction to the Algae, its structure and the reproduction. So according to this book, they have together formed a classification of algae. मीन्स त्यांच्या पुस्तकाच्या मदतीने त्या दोघांनी मिळून एक क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम तयार केली बेसिकली, अँड इट हॅज अ 9 डिव्हिजन इन इट. ओके, इट हॅज अ 9 डिव्हिजन. अकॉर्डिंगली इट इज विथ distributed. So we will discuss one by one. That is, the first one is the division is the Cyanochlorantha, that is a BGA, that is a blue green algae. It has a classes of Cyanophyceae. It contains a 3 order. If we think about its chlorophyll content, that's chlorophyll A, beta carotene, xanthophyll pigments are present in it, and it has a cyanophycin granules, polyglucose stored food material, and its cell walls contains glucose amines and alanine are present. It is found in fresh water, salty water, and some are terrestrial in the form also. Example: Microcyst, Anabaena, nostoc, Osculatoria, okay, etc. That. The second division, that is a Chorophycophyta. It is a green algae. Class is the Chlorophyceae. It contains 15 orders, and again it has a what we say, that is a pigment, that is a chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophyll pigments are present. Starch and oil are stored as a food material, whereas the cell wall contains glucose and some are with xylans and the mannans. Okay. Whereas they are present in fresh water, brackish water, and salty water, and they are in the terrestrial form also. So examples are that chlorella, then volva, and the ulva is volvox, ulva is there. Next is the third division, that is the Charophyta or the stone woods. So in this it has one class, that is a Charophyceae, and contains a 1 order. So again it has pigments, that is chlorophyll A, B, carotenes, xanthophyll pigments are present, same as the Charophycophyta. Then it stores food material in starch, okay, and then again the cell wall cellulosic and some are calcification, okay. Whereas they are present in fresh water and brackish water only, they are not present in the salt water. So its example is that Nitella and the Caravan. And the fourth division, that is a Eugleonophycophyta, euglenoids we can say, and it has a class, that is Eugleonophyceae. It contains a 3 order. Okay. Again the pigments are there, chlorophyll A, B, carotenes, xanthophylls pigments are present. It stores food materials, and paraphyllum, starch and the oil are present, okay, in the form of that only. So in the cell wall are absent. We can see in the picture behind me, the cell wall of Euglena is absent, whereas they are present in the fresh water, brackish water, salty water, and in the terrestrial form. Okay. Examples are the Euglena, Paranema, Pacus. So the next division, it is the Phaeophycophyta, which is known as a brown algae, and the class is the Phaeophyceae and contains a 13 order. Okay. So it has a chlorophyll A, C, beta carotene is there, then xanthophyll is there, fucosanthin is there, and it stores the food material in laminarian, starch, and mannitol. Okay. So the cell wall contains cellulose, alginic acid and mucopolysaccharides are formed, whereas they are present in the fresh water but some in brackish water and salt water too. Examples there given in front of you, that is the laminaria, fucus, dictyota, etc. Okay. In the division 6th we can say Chrysophycophyta, which is known as the golden, yellow green algae and the diatoms. There are various forms are present in this division. Okay. There are 6 total classes are present, that is the Chrysophyceae, which contains 7 orders, Pyramidophyceae, that is 2 orders of them, Xanthophyceae 4 orders, Istugophyceae, that is 1 order, and Coromandophyceae, that contains 1 order. Then Basilorophyceae, it contains again the 1 order. Okay. Then it contains a chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and lacking whereas some are lacking in the some form also this chlorophyll C, whereas carotene and xanthophylls are also present. It stores food material in the form of glycopyroxenide and the oil are present, whereas the cell walls contain cellulose, silica, calcium carbonate, etc. Well, some also contains a chitin also. Okay. Fresh water, brackish water, salty water, and terrestrial forms. So examples have been given here: Pinularia, Amphora, nuvicola. Okay. And the next division, that is the 7th division, is the Phyrophycophyta, dinoflagellates. Okay. The Pyrophyceae, it classes of Pyrophyceae. It contains 6 orders. It contains chlorophyll A, C, beta carotenes, and several xanthophyll pigments are present in it. It stores food material in mostly starch, and some also contain oil, whereas they are present in fresh water, brackish water, and the salty water too. And examples are Dinophyces, Peridinium, etc. And the next division, that is the Cryptophycophyta, Cryptomania. Class is the Cryptophyceae, 1 order. Okay. It contains pigments, that is the chlorophyll A, C, carotenes, and sub-xanthophylls. Okay. Where it stores food material in the form of starch. Cell wall is absent. Okay. And it is present in fresh water, salty water, and the brackish water. The picture you can see it. Okay. It is a picture of Cryptomonas. And the next last division, that is a Rhodophycophyta, that is the red algae Rhodophyceae. It contains 2 subclass, that is a Benzoophyceae and Floridophyceae. It contains Benzoophyceae contains 4 orders, whereas the Floridophyceae contains 5 orders. So it again contains the chlorophyll A, D, where some forms are R and C phycocyanins are there, whereas alpha, beta carotenes are there, and several xanthophyll pigments are present. Okay. It stores food material in the form of glycogen and fluorinide starch, while the cell wall contains glucose, xylans, and some calcification. Flagellar bodies are present, where it is found in the salty water, brackish water, and while some are found in the fresh water. So examples are in the 2 form it has been given, that is salt water given, it is a Polysiphonia, and the fresh water is given Batrachospermum. Okay. Thank you.